Money is never an easy discussion topic, especially when you're struggling, but it's important to know that you do have options no matter your current financial situation. One of those options is filing for bankruptcy. We're talking more about that today with attorney Richard Harris of Richard Harris Law Firm in Las Vegas. Richard, thanks for joining us today.
My pleasure.
Why should someone filing for bankruptcy hire an attorney?
Well, the bankruptcy laws are very complicated and not everyone is eligible, for example, to file a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. And the penalty for filing an improper bankruptcy can actually be the loss of your assets that you're trying to protect. So bankruptcy attorneys act as a buffer between creditors and the trustee and you.
Richard, what can an attorney's experience offer clients they can't do for themselves?
Bankruptcy attorneys have the experience dealing with all aspects of the bankruptcy law, which can be very complicated, and they can assist the client in the proper planning.
Richard, what are some of the more common concerns and comments clients have when filing for bankruptcy?
Most people want to know what they can keep in a bankruptcy, and I'm sure you've heard of all the terrible rumors about how bankruptcy trustees come to someone's home and take furniture and property. These are simply urban legends. A trustee doesn't have the time to come to your house, but you are required to list all of your household items on your petition, and most common household items such as furniture and clothing are in fact protected by exemptions in a bankruptcy.
What, if any, are the positives that can come from filing for bankruptcy?
Well, most importantly, a bankruptcy will immediately stop harassing creditor phone calls and will help you sleep better at night without worrying about repossessions, garnishments, or the next knock at the door. In addition, if you're delinquent on credit card or mortgage debt, each month results in a negative report on your credit. So bankruptcy will resolve these accounts either by repayment or discharge, and will stop the negative credit reporting on these accounts and will allow you to begin rebuilding your credit. Simply put, bankruptcy will help you take your life back and give you a fresh start.
Thanks, Richard. That's Richard Harris of Richard Harris Law Firm in Las Vegas. Reporting for the EXP News Network, I'm Josh Talkington.